Hey boys, welcome back to another video. It's Friday today, and I'm going to give you my next key level of supports for Bitcoin. We are pulling back a little bit, but currently bouncing at our support that I gave you guys, I think yesterday or probably the other day. So this was a very clear support. You have a daily level right there, and then value area high, basically of this whole range below. And we are bouncing. This was like a pretty good long, but I didn't long this because it was pretty late for me, and it's Friday. I didn't really want to 2% move, pretty decent, but it also confluence with the anchored view up from there. But basically, I'm going to give you guys my exact TA for today. Um, Looking at this, it does look like it top, but it still feels like it could still go up, right? So a pretty simple TA for today. We're just gonna say that this might be a whole range now, and we tapped all the liquidity above. Now, in a bias perspective, like after taking the highs and failing to get above it, turn it into support and go higher, showing weakness. Your next level would be to look at is the point of control of the whole range because that's where most of the volume is traded, and then probably we're gonna look at you know, all the liquidities, all the sell sides right here at around 107K. But uh, there's like a lot of scenarios that's still going to happen. I think the last bull run is just delayed a little bit because of the government shutdown plus NFP numbers are delayed. So we might have to see how we react here. If we don't hold this, this is my next support. If we don't hold that, then we can find some supports right here. We probably have a lot of levels down there. So yeah, previous week open, previous week low, monthly open. Not this. I think this one's a good support probably. Let's actually check. I think maybe previous open, to be honest. Monthly open looks strong as well. All right, so I'm just going to mark out my next key levels of support to give you guys. I would say this, and then, oops, and then probably this. Wait, why won't I? Why won't it? There you go. This, and finally our last long, like right here, probably taking out the liquidity. All this bounce V shape. So I would probably look at that right now. But we are still ranging at the top, so there might be chance. It's bouncing a little bit. Let's see what's our volume profile up here. Yeah, it's struggling around there, but if we can get above this, get accepted bank inside the range, probably go higher, right? But if we fail to do that, then probably more downside, just the way how it's looking. Like we go above here, fake everyone out, a lot of top longers, and bring it back down, come here to our next level of support. So I think this weekly and previous day open, previous day high is going to be a key short level, in my opinion. You also have like uh, this is just like an area of interest, I would say, because you also have the value area high. Let's see where the so we just rejected from the anchor VWAP. Where is the 786? Yeah, I would say this golden pocket. I mean, we tried second time. We're probably gonna try again, then boom, back down. Yeah. All right. So for shorts, this is what I'm looking at, and then for longs, I'm going to delete this now and this tab daily. this anchored view up, and then I'm going to keep this. You got previous month high, and then this too, right here. All right, so that is it for, I guess, this TA. But let me actually check the how high are we in the negatives. Oh, so we haven't hit the 2.618, but still, these are my targets if we ever go higher. But this will be like supports. I think this we might remember what happened. Remember what happened here. Like it turned into like a big range. So maybe that's what's happening here. Range, and then finally break out one last blow off top, right? Just like what happened here. And I think this was like probably the biggest range. Probably just waiting for the next catalyst. There is no NFP yet. Waiting probably for the next rate cut too. So these are my levels for Bitcoin. If you're watching, well, please subscribe and please leave a like if you want to support the channel. We do have some links in the description below. Just a disclaimer, I do get a little bit of kickback from the referral fees if you use my link or codes. Thank you.